Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Najwa Anissa from CBI 2, and here I will make video to do my academic reading exam. Okay, first, general overview of the article. This article talks about using digital storytelling or DST to help Indonesian kids learning English. It's like making short video or presentation that tell story, but they use things from the kids' own culture to make it more interesting and easy for them to learn. The study wants to see if this help them learn new words, get excited about learning English, and feel good about their own culture. And next, why does the study matter? Here, this study is important because many Indonesian kids find English lesson boring. They don't feel like they are really using English to say things they care about. This study wants to find a way to make learning English more fun and meaningful for them. Okay, next, what can you learn from this study? In this study, we can help us understand what they are talking about. Like it shows us how making digital story can be a good way to teach language, and what they are thinking. This study show that it's really important to connect learning to a person's culture. It helps them understand new things better. And how they did it, the study used a physical way to get information from the kids. They talk to them in group, have them write down their thought and watch them do the activity. This gives the research a better understanding of what's happening. Okay, next section by analysis. The first from title. The title is like a big stick that tells us what the study about. It say promoting vocabulary, building learning, motivation, and cultural identity representation. Talk digital storytelling for young Indonesian learners of English as foreign language. So it's clear that the study is focused on using digital story to help Indonesian kids learn English and feel proud of their culture. Okay, the second is abstract. The abstract is like a short summary of the whole study. It tells us about the problem. A lot of Indonesian kids are not very interested in learning English because the lessons are not engaging. What the missing? There are not many study about using digital story with cultural themes to help kids learn English. What they did, the study want to see if making digital story using local culture could make learning English more fun and effective. They worked with a group of kids and used different ways to get information from them, like talking to them, read their ratings, and watching them do things. It seems like making digital story using cultural themes can really help kids learn English and get excited about learning. Okay, next is introduction. The introduction is like the beginning of a story. It sets the stage for a study. The big problem is English lesson in Indonesia are often boring, which make kids less interested in learning. As what the other people say, the article talks about what the other sentence have said about digital story helping people learn language. There has not been much research on using digital story to teach English to kids in Indonesian while also including their culture. This study want to fill that gap by finding out in making digital story that are connected to Indonesian culture can help kids learn English. And the fourth is literature review. The literature review is like a library. It shows us all a book that have been written about the topic. The article talk about. Okay, next the literature review. The literature review is the like a library. It shows us all the books that have been written about the topic. The article talks about how important it is to connect learning to a person culture. It says that kids can learn more if they feel like they are using English to talk about things they already know and understand. Okay, next is research method. The research method is like the recipe for the study. It tells us how the students did the study. And first, how did they did it. The study worked with a small group of kids and a real school in Indonesia. This is called a case study because it focused on a specific group of people. They worked with 30 kids, in, include is 20 boys and 18 girls who were between 20 and 14 years old. The kids took part in a 10-week program where they learn how to make digital story using their culture. The research taught to the kids in group read what they wrote in the journals, watch them do the activity and look at the story they create. The result used special ways to look at the data they collect. They wrote down everything the kids said and did, and then they look for patterns and themes to understand what was happening. And I think just all from me. That's all from me. Thank you so much. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.